The whistle of White Star Line Olympic class is one of the greatest sounds you ever heard in the port. The first ship of the Olympic class is the RMS Olympic, launched in 1910 and ended her service in 1935. Here's the sound of a triple barrel steam whistle as he said farewell into the scrapyard in Jarrow. The second ship of the Olympic class is the RMS Titanic, launched in 1911 as a sister to the Olympic. Sadly, her career ended in 1929, where she caught on fire. Here's the sound of a triple barrel steam whistle that was saved from the fire. The third is known by many names. Launched in 1914 as the RMS Britannic, renamed into the RMS Gigantic in 1924, and in 1946 handed to the United States Lands and renamed the SS Columbia. She was the third member of the Olympic class and had the longest career of the family. Here is the sound of her previous triple barrel steam whistle and her newly installed Typhoon steam whistle. The fourth one is often overlooked in the history of the Olympic class. Ceric is the largest of the Olympic class and the youngest. Launched in 1921 and was the largest British ship in the world for 8 years. Sadly, her fate was sealed in 1943, where she caught on fire while she was in process to be converted into a troop ship for the war. Here is the sound of a triple barrel steam whistle.